And finally I managed to take left wing off, and now I'm trying to take right wing off. I have already, last time when we've been here, loosening these bolts, so these should be going off, just turning it by the finger. Like here, like here, like here, and like here, and once more. Sorry, twice more. And this has to be thick. That has to be needed spanner. And now it goes off by the finger. Right, till then, mess around my hand. Right. Here's our two rusty bolts. Absolutely impossible to take it off with a screwdriver. I'm trying to do it a crowbar.